Hello everyone. So in this video I will be showing you how to check whether a number is prime number or not in Python. So first we need to get the number from the user. So let no be our number equal to int of input, and you can just say enter a number. Okay, that's fine. We have got our number. So the first thing what we need to check is whether the number is less than or equal to 1, because negative numbers aren't going to be prime numbers. 0 is not a prime number and 1 is also not a prime number. So it's going to start from 2. So first condition is a if condition. So it's going to be if our number is less than or equal to 1. Okay, so if is that case, we will be putting print, just putting not a prime number. That's it. Okay, so here comes the else part. So what suppose if the number is greater than 2, we need to check whether it is eligible for a prime number or not. Okay, so inside the else part, what we are going to do is we are going to use like a single for loop, and we are going to divide from 2 till the number or till the number by 2. Okay, so it's absolutely your choice. So we code it first. So for I in range, so it's from 2 till number or number by 2. You can, it's absolutely your choice, and because it's not going to make any difference. Okay, if you put number by 2, it will just take the half number of iterations. Okay, and if you put number also, it's absolutely fine. And if you're putting number by 2, be careful you put double slash. Okay, if you put single slash, I guess you'll be getting an error because it will convert to a float type, and if you put double slash, it converts to integer type. Okay, it's fine. And we'll be using if condition. So if our number is divisible by that particular number from 2 until number by 2, so number mod I equal to 0, it's obvious that it isn't a prime number. So we'll be printing print not prime number. Okay, so what to do? We have found our number is like divisible and number between 2 and number, and we are printing number is not a prime number. So after this particular statement is printed, we don't want our loop to continue, like keep on doing repeating the particular thing. Let's suppose if a number is divisible by 2, we are printing printing not a prime number, and again if our number is divisible by 4, it will again print not prime number. So this is absolutely repetitive, and we can just avoid it by using a break. So it just comes out of this entire loop. Okay, so I hope like this works well and good if that particular number is not a prime number. So what are we going to do if that particular number is a prime number? So here comes the part. So here we'll be using a flag. Okay, flag is just a variable having like 0 and 1. So let me just use that. So let me just have my flag, that is initial value of flag, to be as 1. Okay, so this is the part. So if that particular number is divisible by I, I'm just going to change the flag to be as 0. Okay, nothing, just I'm changing it as 0. And once all this stuffs are done, I'm coming to the same indentation for the for loop. Okay, so as you can see, it's just straight to the for, and here I will be putting a if condition. Okay, if f is still 1. Okay, I will just explain it through a demo. Okay, f is still 1, I'll be printing print prime number. Okay, so let me show you a quick demo on how this code works. Okay, I'll just explain it to you. So let's suppose say we are taking a number as, let's take a prime number first. Okay, so let me take 13. Okay, so what happens here is that it's absolutely fine. Our number is it's not less than 1. So here f remains 1 itself. So now we need to have like a value. So our f will remain 1. Okay, so here it will go, this for loop will run like, it will run from 2 till number by 2, which is 6. So it will run from 2 to 6. So it will divisible 13 mod 2, it isn't equal to 0, and 13 mod 3 not equal to 0. So it is not going to be divisible by any number between 2 and 6. So this particular condition, this if, it just comes here and it won't go inside this at all. Okay, so our f will remain 1. Okay, it will never become 0. Okay, you have to be really careful there, and that is the main reason for flag. Okay, so it isn't going to be 0, and these 3 lines of code will never get executed. So once it reaches 6, okay, once the for loop is getting over, it will just come here and will check for what's the value of f. So if our f is still remaining as 1, it's obviously a prime number. Okay, that's it. 13 is a prime number, it will just getting printed. So let's go and do 15. Okay, so same thing. So it's well and good, number is greater than 1, that's absolutely fine. Here we'll be having like, again, f is equal to 1, fine. So here our range is going to be like equal to 7, 2 and 7, and it will go 15 mod 2 not equal to 0, 15 mod 3. 15 is divisible by 3 and will produce an output. Okay, so at this stage what happens, 15 mod 3 will become 0. Okay, fine. So this condition is true. It will go over here, and what will happen is not prime number will be printed, and our f becomes 0. This is the main thing. So our f over here will be rewritten as 0, and break statement will take place. Okay, so the loop terminates when our I value is 3 itself. It won't just be repeating like again printing non-prime number when it comes to 5 divisible by 5 because 15 is divisible by 5 as well. So to avoid the repetitive print not number, we are just breaking our for loop there itself with the value f as 0. Okay, and now when it is coming to this check, okay, it will check always. So it will check if f equal to 1, but here we have got our f value to be 0 because this if condition has become true. So it will check for f equal to 1, but obviously f is 0, so this condition becomes fail and print prime number won't be executed. So we will be having just output as print not prime number. Really simple, I guess. This flag, I think flag is easy to understand than many other things. So this is the code. Okay, really simple. And to put it in a nutshell, I will just explain it for a sec last time. So greater than 1, we have to have, if it's less than 1, just print not a prime number, and just check from number till range 2 till number by 2, or number substitute your choice. To reduce your iteration, you can do number by 2. Have a if condition, check if it is divisible by that I between 2 and number, and print if it's divisible, print that not prime number, and have a flag and use break. If it's like divisible once, just break it off the loop, and if the flag still remains the original value, which is 1, print prime number. I hope that made sense. So let me just run the code now, and I hope it works. Okay, so enter a number. I will go with 20, but not a prime number. So fine. So let me just put another number over here. Put 29. It's a prime number. I hope you have found this video useful. I have also done many other videos in SQL, programming videos in C, C++, Java, Python, as well as 3D animation using Blender. So do check out videos of my channel, subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching.